Hello everyone and welcome to the YouTube channel of National Service Scheme MSI. Today I will be talking about failure. So, what exactly is failure? What does failure mean? Seeing it from a positive perspective, failures are actually a learning experience which gives you an opportunity to create a better version of yourself and try again. And if seen from a negative perspective, failures could maybe mean waste of efforts in achieving something or being unsuccessful in achieving your goals. When you fail, you don't actually fail, but you are being prepared for the same thing in a more better and stronger way. Let me give you an example. There is a man who is searching for a job, but he isn't very serious about it because he is still young and doesn't require a job. But he is a dedicated future planner since the age of 20. He was giving interviews and failing every time, but every time he failed, he learned a new trick which he would use in his next interview. And at the age of 25, after completing his studies, when he actually required a job, he got placed in a very big company just by the way he approached them. You know why? Because he failed a lot. Yes, because he failed every time he gave an interview. Today he got a job in a very big company without much efforts. All that he failed, he didn't actually fail. Instead, gained knowledge from his each failing experience, and that helped him to finally achieve his dream job. Failure teaches us more than success because failure gives us experience, and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam also quoted that don't read success stories, you will only get a message. Read failure stories and you will get some ideas to get success. Failure doesn't mean game over, it means try again with a better experience. So let the failure teach you everything you need to win the war. Thank you for watching this video and do subscribe to the channel.